Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers peak and knowledge grows. Look at the question. Find the product of following binomial by using the identity 7 upon 2c minus 2d into 7 upon 2c plus 2d, as a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now multiply 7 upon 2c into 7 upon 2c plus 7 upon 2c into 2d minus 2d into 7 upon 2c minus 2d into 2d. 7 sevens are 49, 2 twos are 4, c into c square plus 7 twos are 14, cd upon 2 minus 14 dc upon 2 minus 4d square. This is minus, this is plus. Cancel. We get 49c square upon 4 minus 4d square. This is the answer of the question. Now another question. 11a minus 11b into 11a plus 11b, as a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now multiply 11a into 11a plus 11a into 11b minus 11b into 11a minus 11b into 11b. Multiply 11 11s are 121a square plus 121ab minus 121ab minus 121b square. This is plus, this is minus. Cancel. 121a square minus 121b square. This is the answer of the question. Look at the question. Find a square plus b square if a minus b equal to 8 and ab equal to 3. A minus b equal to 8, squaring both sides, we get a minus b whole square is equal to 8 whole square, as x minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. A square plus b square minus 2ab equal to 8 is at 64. Putting the value of ab, 3 already given. A square plus b square minus 2 into 3 equal to 64. A square plus b square minus 6 equal to 64. A square plus b square equal to 64 plus 6. A square plus b square equal to 70. This is the answer of the question. A square plus b square value is equal to 70. Now find x square plus 1 upon x square if x minus 1 upon x is equal to 4. Now we have x minus 1 upon x equal to 4, squaring both sides. X minus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 4 whole square, as a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 2ab. Sorry, minus 2ab. Now x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 into x into 1 upon x equal to 4 4s are 16. X square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 x into x finish equal to 16. X square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 16 plus 2 equal to 18. This is the answer of the question. Look at the question. Simplify the following. 2x plus 3y whole square minus into x plus 2y whole square. 2x plus 3y whole square minus x plus 2y whole square, as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equal to 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y minus x square plus 2y square plus 2x into 2y. This is equal to 2 2s are 4 x square plus 3 3s are 9 y square plus 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12 xy minus x square plus 4y square plus 4xy. Now open the bracket. 4x square plus 9y square plus 12xy minus x square minus 4y square minus 4xy. Now 4x minus x equal to 3x square. 9y square minus 4y square equal to 5y square. 12xy minus 4xy equal to 8xy. This is the answer of the question. Second, 7a plus 6b whole square minus 2a minus into bracket 2a minus 3b whole square, as a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab and a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is a minus b whole square, this is a plus b whole square. Now 7a whole square plus 6b whole square plus 2 into 7a into 6b minus 2a whole square plus 3b whole square minus 2 into 2a into 3b. Now 7 7s are 49a square, 6 6 are 36b square plus 6 2s are 12, 12 7s are 84ab minus 2a square yani 4a square plus 9b square minus 12ab. Now open the bracket. 49a square plus 36b square plus 84ab minus 4a square minus 9b square plus 12ab. This is equal to 45a square plus 27b square plus 96ab. This is the answer of the question. Look at the question. Find the values of the following by using an appropriate formula. 102 whole square. We can write 102 whole square as 100 plus 2 whole square, as a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We can write 100 whole square plus 2 whole square plus 2 into 100 into 2. This is equal to 10,000 plus 4 plus 400. This is equal to 40404. This is the answer of the question. Second, 1.98 whole square. 1.98 whole square, we can write 2 minus 0.02 whole square as a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 square 0.02 square minus 2 into 0.02. 2 2s are 4. This is equal to 0.004 minus 0.08 and this is equal to 3.9196. 3.9196 is the answer of the question. Look at the question. Find the square of the following using an identity x plus 2y. X plus 2y, we can write x plus 2y into x plus 2y or x plus 2y whole square as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equal to x square plus 2y square plus 2 into x into 2y. This is equal to x square plus 4y square plus 4xy. This is the answer of the question. Second, 2m plus 5m. 2m plus 5n, 2m plus 5n or 2m plus 5n whole square as a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We can write 2m plus 5n whole square is equal to 2m square plus 5n square plus 2 into 2m into 5n. 4m square plus 25n square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 mn. This is the answer of the question. Question number 3, x minus 4. X minus 4 whole square as a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. X square plus 4 square minus 2 into x into 4. X square plus 16 minus 8x or x square minus 8x plus 16. This is the answer of the question. Question number 4, 3 upon 5x minus 3 upon 5y. 3 upon 5x minus 3 upon 5y as a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. 3 upon 5x square plus 3 upon 5y square minus 2 into 3 upon 5x into 3 upon 5y. This is equal to 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25x square plus 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25y square minus 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 5 5s are 25xy. This is the answer of the question. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.